Hello again, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a perfect steak every time using a sous vide immersion circulator, and then just finishing on a very hot cast iron skillet, basting it with a little bit of butter. It's really a perfect way to get that medium rare temperature. So let's go ahead and get started. One of the things that I do is turn the top of the vacuum bag inside out. This keeps the sealing area clean of any food, so you can get a really good seal. For medium rare, I cook the steak at 129 degrees for an hour. You actually don't need a vacuum sealer. A sturdy, resealable bag like this would also work. I pour the buttery liquid from the bag over the steak and add some more butter for basting. Basting with butter really brings out the flavor of the steak and helps to create a beautiful crust. You really want to think about creating flavors and texture. Make sure you let the steak rest for 5 minutes before serving. This is very important as it helps to lock in the juices. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can find this recipe and others on my blog at chefonaboat.wordpress.com. Until next time, bon appetit!